Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. The video you're about to see is from one of my old YouTube channels. I don't really use it a whole lot anymore, but so if you see some things that say Adventures with James, it's still me, but James is one of my old nicknames that I go by. But also in the description below, I'll leave links to the seasonings and cowboy hats, stuff like that. Anyway, enjoy, stay safe, peace out. You know, the funny thing about trout is, well, it's trout. Ah, there's nothing funny about trout. Wait a minute. Really? Isn't that strange? Hey everyone, James here. Today we're gonna smoke some trout. Yeah, let's do some smoked trout. Hang tight. Alright, so today we're gonna smoke some trout. Freshly caught. And we're gonna use apple wood. We're gonna slice up some lemon. Yeah, look how pink that is in there. Woo! Stuff them with some lemon and some seasonings, and cover them with some butter and put some seasonings on the outside of them, and then we're gonna smoke them. Alright, stay tuned. Let's have some fun. This is gonna be good. Beautiful trout. Alright. Alright. Yeah, this is my big grill smoker. But yeah, we're gonna put them on there and get this going and smoke us some trout. Alright. Hang tight. Okay, so here's how I'm doing it. I'm gonna do all three of them this way. I coated the inside with butter and some seafood seasonings, some tahini seasonings, red lobster seafood seasoning, some black pepper. Squirted some lemon juice inside there, rubbed it all around with the butter. Same thing on the outside, both sides. Some lemon juice, rubbed it with some butter, seafood seasoning, black pepper, and tahini. And I'm going to put them on the grill and smoke them. And then when they get close to being done, I'm going to lay these lemons across tops of them and finish them out. And it's going to be good. Alright, hang tight. Yeah, they're hanging tight, waiting on the charcoals. They're all stuffed with the lemons and the good seasonings and all that stuff. Yeah. Yep. Some lemons up in there. Oh yeah. Hey, one fell out. I'll have to put that back in there. Anyway, about to put the charcoals in and throw some apple wood in there, and we're gonna get them smoking. Yeah. Okie dokie, charcoals are getting there. Let's go over and take a look at the fish on the grill. They're just waiting. And it's cold enough out here, they'll be alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look what just got delivered. Yep, the whole kit. Chainsaw, battery, and charger. Man, gonna be cutting me some firewood, man. Yep. Oh man, awesome. Alright, charcoals are ready. Fish are ready. We got us some apple wood. Here comes a train. Yeah, get a lot of those around here. We're just gonna pack that with some apple wood, man. I mean, lots. We want some smoke rolling. Yep. Train, loud, right. Close this up, and you can see the fire down through there. Alright. See you in a little while, boys. Alright. Let that get it going pretty good. And we'll close that lid. Get some smoke. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's smoking. Got some apple wood going on. Let's see what the temperature is on this thing here. We're about 250. I don't know if you can see that, somewhere around in there. Alright, that's gonna be good. That'll work out. Okie dokie. Hang tight. Okay, so it's been a good 30 minutes. And I just put some more wood chips on there, and we're at a steady 200 degrees. And let's take a peek, shall we? Alright, well, we're looking good. Alright, let's put this back down, keep it going. Alright, hang tight. Alright, so this is going to be my third applying of the wood chips. It's been about, what I say, been about 35-40 minutes. And alright, keeping on smoking it. That's right. Trouty O-L-E Smoky-O. Okie dokie. Alright, check this out. Cool little trick or hack, whatever you want to call it, when you're smoking something or even grilling something. I've got some pieces of lime I just cut up. Throw it right into your smoke, your fire. Yep. All that will infuse in with that smoke and help flavor whatever it is you're cooking. Alright. Okie dokie. So let's do this for a second. Alright. We're about a little over an hour good into it. Take some lime juice and squeeze it on there. Yeah. Yeah, bud. That's what I'm talking about. Some lime juice, huh? Along with some lemons. It's stuffed with lemons already. Dang gum. Tell you what now. Got it going on. Whew. Alright. Alright, folks. I don't know if you can really see that from the smoke, but you can see those 2 pieces of lime I put in there. It's been about an hour and 20 minutes probably. And I just now put some more apple wood on there. But yep, there we go. We're keeping it going.